To come on camera, my main objective is that I want to keep reality. I want to say reality. I don't because in in history I have tell a lie a lot. That's why I got trapped in on lie. I got trapped in all false thought and lie which I have spoken in history, and now I want to get rid of these things, and I want to be real as and be in at present. Tomorrow, tomorrow I have promised myself that from today I will do hard work, uh, but as I have said that I have I have been promised from me various times, but fell I fell I failed again. I have not done hard work. I spent today I spent time in scrolling reels on watching chess video and unnecessary things. I spend my quality times in sleeping. So I have wasted today's 2 days also, as I used to waste my time. For human there is two evils, desire and ego, both. Let's let's see why I am not doing hard work. First thing is that first thing I think that I will lose time. If I will study 3 hours continuously, I will lose 3 hours, and this is free time. So it means that uh, uh, my it means that I am totally programmed to get pleasure, and where I did not because when you start a study, after that when you get uh, deeply attached in it, means deeply understood what is happening, what is, then you will get pleasure in a study. But at first you have to try to understood the basic things, then it will not give pleasure. And and that at that time you will also feel awkward, right? First point that I know I don't do hard work is that I get afraid of losing time. And second is also when I um, when I lost in a study, then I I feel that I have been lost. I has lost. I has lost, and this creates a sense of losing self, losing identity. So in in this scenario, I is also become a villain. Why you are not? Why I am not studying? Why I am not doing hard work? In physical work, yeah, obviously in physical work there is no lots of eye involvement, so that in physical it is easy to do physical work, but it is not easy to do mental work because it requires total involvement of eye, and it dissolves the ego also when you put your efforts, offer your efforts to Durkama. So from today onwards, when I am going to study, first thing I have to do is just to pray from Durga Ma that uh, that I have to that these 2 hours is your, and just to do these 2 hours hard work, and when 2 hours completed, then again offer it. Only these things will work. First start with a half hour, again a half hour, then again I have to push and push it, and that it will made me to sit 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day. Mm, um, I have continued. This is third day of English speaking practice. Mm, now from first day, I am feeling something comfortable, but I afraid that when I will go to Greater Noida, then there I will no alone place, and I will not be uh, mm, alone at that place. That's the biggest problem there. But when there will be I will alone, I will try to make videos to speak in English. Yeah, the first point was to offer my, yeah, and the second thing I have to one thing put in mind, keep in my mind, that I have to know go behind pleaser. I have to know to go behind pleaser. In throughout my life, I will. I have no any happiness. I will not get any type of happiness. This is the harsh reality of my life, and I should have to accept it. That don't go behind this pleasure content. Please my mind, please my ego, please my ego. I request you, please don't go behind happiness. It will, you should, you will be happy when you will near Durga Ma. So just always try to go on her feet, on her feet, near her feet. After that you will enjoy a lot. So just try this instead of instead of going to false identity, protecting for my false identity. Just go to on her feet. May Durga Maya bless me that I'm not, I will not become lazy today. I have knowledge that desire should not be completed. Ego should be vanished. Everything I have knowledge, but from from inner anything not happening. That's why it is called that information is nothing without realization. Knowledge is nothing. Knowledge is just a information without realization. When when we realize it, then we under, understood it properly. but addiction takes uh, lots of realization to break addiction. You have to be uh, trained to break lots of addiction things. Tomorrow I will make two videos. In one I will say I will talk about something other topic like war, like uh, like our society, our culture, religion, these things of from this topic I will say. And in first video and in second that about me, what I am feeling, what I have done today, what these things I will share. Now let's chant her name, Durga Mani. Durga, 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 दुर्गा 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 दुर्गा